The EU and the UK have reached a common understanding on protecting your rights after Brexit as EU citizens in the UK and UK citizens in the EU. If you apply for and obtain a new status in the UK, your current EU rights will continue after Brexit. These include the right to reside in the UK, look for a job, work without a work permit, and have equal access to healthcare, pensions, and other benefits. In addition to your current EU rights, you will also be allowed to leave the UK for up to 5 years without losing your rights. So who is covered? You and your family if you are an EU citizen who arrived in the UK before Brexit Day. And what new status do I have to apply for? There are 2 new statuses available depending on how long you have lived in the UK. If you've been living in the UK lawfully and continuously for at least 5 years before Brexit Day, you will have to apply for settled status. Living lawfully in the UK means that you are either a worker, a self-employed person, a self-sufficient person, a student, or a family member. Settled status will give you indefinite stay as long as you don't spend more than 5 years continuously outside the UK. If on Brexit Day you've been living in the UK for less than 5 years, you will have to apply for pre-settled status. This will allow you to stay and build up the 5 years required to later apply for settled status. To obtain any of these statuses, you should not leave the UK for more than 6 continuous months before your application. You will have at least 2 years after Brexit Day to obtain settled status or pre-settled status. The application procedure will be short, user-friendly, transparent, and will avoid any unnecessary administrative burdens. The new procedure will be less complicated than the current permanent residence application procedure because the UK can only request the information that is strictly necessary and proportionate to determine whether you are eligible. If you have already obtained permanent residence in the UK, you will still need to apply to get settled status. However, the procedure will be easy and free of charge. For more information, please visit our website.